Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix game capture is not working on OBS. So let me show how. First of all, completely close OBS. Then you need to look on search for OBS, right click on it, open file location, right click again, open file location again, and then you should find OBS 64.exe. Copy the path of that particular exe file, then go back, go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, select add a desktop app, then paste the path, then add OBS exe file. For me, as you can see here, it's already added. So all I need to do here is to look for that OBS Studio, and then you just need to select high performance here, right? Once you select high performance, make sure to go back, and then on advanced graphic settings, make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is off. And then all you need to do here is to look for OBS, right click on it, run as admin, and then OBS should work and game capture should be working. Plus sign, game capture, and it should work. Currently, I'm not running any games, but if your game that you play supports game capture, it should definitely work. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.